Hey everybody, Davey here from At Home. Today I'm going to do a little project here at the house. I'm going to clean out my dryer vent. I had a friend of mine who he actually had some issues where everything got blocked up. You've heard of house fires starting from dryer lint clogged anyway. So I'm going to try to go ahead and clean that out. I found this product on Amazon. It's about 20 bucks. It's the Smart House Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit. Clearly a product from out of the country, as some of the spelling on it's wrong, but it's going to be fun. Let's check it out. I know I've got a lot of lint, as you saw in that first clip there. So I've been in this house for about over 8 years. They've never been cleaned, so this could be interesting. See you soon. Okay, for this particular project, for this Smart House Inc. Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit, all you need is your power drill and your kit. According to the instructions here, you're able to get right into your vent. It's got a flexi hose area. It's got this big brush system that goes right down into the vent and it pulls everything out. You want to keep everything going in the forward position, so that's a clockwise rotation. If you put it in reverse, it'll actually unscrew and pop itself out. But let's crack this box open. Let's see what's involved here. Let's see what we got. There's your drill bit. I almost lost that right in the grass right away. So there's your drill bit section, and then there's each of your flexi hose. So one of these is going to go directly into that end there. Get that in nice and tight. And what that is that when you have it in regular clockwise within your drill, it'll keep it actually tight. And that's what you want. You don't want that thing to pop back out. But let's go ahead and put these guys all together here. So before I do that, the one thing that the kit does note is that it offers, this one happens to do 20 feet of length within this. From my dryer vent hole all the way to my dryer, I want to say it's probably about 12 feet. So I'm going to stick, probably 10 of these guys together, 8 of these guys together. Stick it in there and let's see what comes out. Could be interesting. And the last piece to put together is that brush. We'll screw that guy in there tightly and it'll be ready to go. Growing up, I always wanted to be a chimney sweep, so I guess this is going to be the next best thing. Let's give it a go. Let's see what happens. Well, that's not good. The piece broke off right inside the vent. Alright, well, had to do a little bit of disassembly back here behind the dryer. The dryer vent actually comes right in through the wall there. And as you hold everything out there, you can actually see the arm right down. There's the end of it right there if you can see it. That's not what you're looking for. There you go. There's the broken piece right there, shattered just below that connection. We'll go back outside and take a look at that. Alright, as you can see, that's that broken connection. That happened right next to the actual brush. Would have been right below that connector point. It actually does flex pretty nicely, so I'm not sure what happened there. Maybe just a random break. Gonna guess that I don't have a ton of confidence in here. I'm actually gonna shorten this one up. I'll put it in there and I'm gonna jam it the rest of the way through since I've got that dryer vent off on the other side, and keep on cleaning. First go with that actually broke off. Let's see if we can get this dude going one more time. The vent is actually off on the other side, completely separated from the dryer at this point. Let's see what we can do. As you can see, that actually pulled out quite a bit of lint there. That's after it already went through twice as well, breaking off. This has a bunch, so you can see that the product itself actually works if you can get it to not break. So I'm going to run it through there again, see what else I can pull, and we'll go from there. 3, let's see. As you can see, each time it actually pulls out a good amount of lint, so not too bad right there on that so far. Alright, this is after running it through here a couple times. You can see that it still shot out a whole bunch of lint from the other side. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean this up and then reassemble the dryer here. Alright guys, ultimately I'm going to call this project an okay. I'm not going to call it a success, I'm not going to call it a failure, although I would call this product a failure. You know, breaking right away, right as soon as I got it into the vent, that wasn't good. I had to disassemble the dryer, disassemble the vent hosing, dig around in there and actually find that end piece. That kind of sucked. It took a little while to get it back together. As you can tell by the hair, went a little bit crazy. But anyway, product, I'm going to call it a fail. The project itself, not necessarily a success, but you know, I did get in there. I got a lot of lint out, needed to be done. They say you should do it about every year or so. I'm probably going to try to return this. I'm going to see, you know, Amazon's good at the return, so let's see how that goes. Maybe I'll get a fresh product. Maybe I'll just get a refund on this thing since it broke right out of the gate like that. A little disappointing, but ultimately I did get all the lint out of my my vent there. There was a lot. Do it every year, as they say. You know, it does cause a lot of fires every year, those lint trap fires or lint blockage fires within those gas dryers. So make sure you do that. What are you going to do? Another project. It's the joy of owning a home, right? Well, I appreciate you all checking in. Do me a favor, hit that like button down below and subscribe to At Home. See you soon.